Solo camping in minus 10 degrees. It's a complete whiteout. I can barely see the road.
Stepping out feels like walking into a freezer. The wind cuts deep and the snow, it is much deeper than I thought.
Every step is a struggle. The heavy pack and deep snow are exhausting. But stopping now is not an option. To clear the ground first, slipping directly on this loose snow would be a frozen nightmare.
Off for just 30 seconds and my hands are already freezing. I have to be fast before I lose feeling.
Pitching the tent in this wind is like wrestling a storm. It's a fight against nature and my fingers are going numb.
I am packing snow around the edges to seal the tent. It acts as a natural anchor and stops the wind from getting underneath.
Safe at last. I had to get inside immediately, staying out there.
It is still freezing in here. Just look at my breath. It looks exactly like smoke. My water is frozen solid, so I have to melt snow just to get a drink. Survival mode is officially on. The temperature is finally rising. Honestly, right now, this tent feels better than any 5-star hotel.
Hot coffee in the middle of a blizzard. Trust me, nothing beats this first sip. It warms the soul.
Outside, it is a frozen wasteland, but inside this glowing orange dome, there is life. It's my only shield tonight.
This sleeping bag is the only thing keeping me from freezing solid. Good night. Let's hope I wake up tomorrow.
Morning! The storm has finally passed. Just look at this. The sun is out and it is absolutely beautiful. Good morning. The storm has finally passed. Just look at this. The sun is out and it is absolutely beautiful.
Oh wow! We literally got buried. Look at this wall of snow. I actually have to dig my way out.
That's why I came here. The silence, the snow and these mountains, it makes every single struggle worth it. Nature is beautiful but unforgiving. I survived the storm. Now it's time to head home. Allah Hafiz.